All right, guys, we are doing a Super Break Basketball Series 2. There are 1 to 2 items per box, 1 to 2 cards, but also a chance to pull a Michael Jordan autographed jersey out of here. So this is a random team break, so every spot gives you 3 random NBA teams. So in this break, I've got Don in with 1, I've got Roy with 1, Paul's got 1, Rick M's got 2, Bill P with 2, and then Arturo grabbed the last 3, like a hero. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize that. Randomize the teams 5 times. So we pull that Jordan jersey out of here. Whoever's got the Bulls is going to win that one. All right, so every spot gives you 3 NBA teams. Randomize this 5 times as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, here we go. So Arturo's got the Thunder, the Hawks, the Heat, the Hornets, Dallas Mavericks, the Spurs, the Cavs, the Nuggets, and the Clippers. Bill P's got the Raptors. He's got the Bulls, the Pacers, the Sixers, the Wizards, and the Jazz. Don's got the Celtics, the Kings, and the Pelicans. Paul M with the Rockets, Lakers, and Pistons. Rick M with the Magic, the Bucks, the Suns, the Nets, the Grizzlies, and the Trailblazers. And then Roy, you've got the Warriors, Golden State, the Knicks, and then the Timberwolves. All right, we didn't pull the Jordan jersey out of Big Box. Let's pull it in this one. Yeah, John, I got you, man. Sean, I'll double check and see, man. I thought I sent it out to you. Open this thing. All right, feels like one card. We've got an Andrew Wiggins, and it's a rookie auto. And I'd forgotten I thought naturally would have been a Timberwolves, but he actually was drafted by the Cavs. Did I miss that? Number to 225. And it is from Court Kings. Fresh paint on-card auto. And that's going to be a Cleveland Cavaliers hit. So pretty nice one there. And that's going to be Arturo. Came in, scooped up those last 3 spots, and ended up with the hit. So nice one there for Arturo. That'll do it for Super Break Basketball. We'll get that card mailed out tomorrow. And glad we were finally able to break Super Break Basketball.